What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care and your boy Q.
Grass Lawn Care.
So today we are going to try out a Exmark Laser Z48. This one right here. Yeah, and it's an E series. I mean, not an E, the S series, which is a 2019. And as a matter of fact, for 2020, they stopped making the S series, the 48 in the S series. So we wanted something a little bit more of an upgrade. And why are we trading the? Well, not yet. I'm not sure. Why are we testing out new mowers? Just because, you know, sometimes you guys just kind of upgrade certain things. Any comment? We don't know, guys. We don't know. We don't know. But check it out. We're like a kid in a candy store. Look at that. I'm telling you, right?
It get me to the point where I be like, hey, Mr. J, I need new mowers, man. I need this one, this one, this one.
Hey, one for each day. This is a Monday. This is a Tuesday.
Yeah.
This is a Wednesday.
And then I'm gonna say, hey, my boys say, man, you know, we need new equipment, man. So how about this weekend we just come in and we just change everything?
So what we're doing right now is we're gonna put a mulching kit on it, because again, we're in these small, medium-sized properties, and the last thing you want to do is just be shooting grass all over the place, right? Because we do not bag. And I know some of you guys up north keep asking, you know, how come you guys don't bag up and down in the south? We just don't bag the same way we don't stripe. You know, it's just a thing that we do and nobody requested. All right, guys, so we're about to install the Mulch Kit. We're not going to show you the whole installation process, but we're going to talk to you just a little bit about a Mulch Kit versus a mulch plate. Here I have Steven. He's the owner of Andy's Lawn and Machinery, Highway 17 in Savannah, Georgia. Top service department. I'm telling you guys, this is why I come here, because dealer support is 100% crucial to me and my business success. But Steven, can you tell us a little bit about the difference between a mulching plate and a mulching kit?
Yeah, Johnny. Hey, everybody, we get a lot of customers that come in thinking, hey, I want to mulch. Just give me a set of mulching blades. But that really won't do anything different. Let me show you right here the pieces that are consisting of a mulch kit. Most people want to buy a plate to put on the side of the discharge mower, which it will block material from coming out, but it doesn't effectively mulch. A mulching kit is a series of baffles that bolt underneath the deck to keep the material around each blade. So it's cutting multiple times over and over and over again, and doesn't discharge to the next and then out. So the blades that come standard are a lift blade, straight cutting edge and lift, high lift. It slings the grass, leaves, whatever, right out the discharge. When you put on a mulching blade, it has a wavy cut with a different lift. This lifts it a little bit and just loops it over. So if you put this blade on without the kit, you're really not doing anything but throwing it out the side anyway. So a mulching blade works with a mulching kit to work effectively. So we're going to install it, and then we'll show you what it all looks like once it's installed. I think I got everything I need, but it's like piling the finger. Ready for the blade, Jen. I got everything else. Hey everybody, Now we've installed the mulch kit. So if we'll look underneath the deck, we'll explain it a little bit. The baffles that we saw earlier are now mounted. So what it does is makes 3 complete circles around each blade with the blockers in the middle. So now the grass around each blade stays trapped. And as the blade passes around, this small lift kicks the grass up and it falls on itself. So the blade's hitting it multiple times rather than once or twice if it were to just throw it all the way across. So the black baffles are the mulch kit. The red are the welded in baffles that divert it out. So if you want to mulch effectively, you need to install the full kit, not just a different blade or just a blocker. Because if you put the blocker on with mulch blades, it's still throwing the material to the right blade and it's doing 90% of the work. So to mulch properly, you need to install the full kit with the blades and it'll work great. And this is the micro mulch system for the Exmark Laser Z.
All right, Steven, thank you very much. Hey guys, if you like this type of content, please leave a comment. Let us know what you think, all right? Have a great one. Pop smoke. Peace.